We are going to bake cookies!
Welcome to my kitchen. Safety first.
Time to mix the flour and sugar. Stir, stir, stir. We make tiny cookie dough balls and place it on the tray. Like this. And one last cookie for the row. Perfect 5. Mommy, can you help me put these in the oven? A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. While our cookies bake, let's scrub-a-dub-dub. Look at all these cookies. They're all ready and they smell so good. Do you want one?